Can India recharge Tesla? It's a question that has sparked a heated debate in the world of electric vehicles. Elon Musk, the mercurial mastermind behind Tesla, has expressed interest in penetrating the burgeoning Indian market, a decision motivated by the country's vast population and potential to augment Tesla's global business. Yet the road to India is not without its bumps and potholes. Bureaucratic hurdles in the form of high import duties on foreign electric vehicles have served as a deterrent to Tesla's Indian dream. However, the winds of change are blowing, and a new policy that slashes these import duties might just clear the path for Tesla's entry. But the question remains, can India recharge Tesla? Is the subcontinent ready to embrace the electric revolution? The challenges are daunting. The penetration rate of electric vehicles in India is still low, and the lack of standardization in the charging infrastructure could pose a serious impediment. Moreover, the competition from Chinese automakers is fierce and cannot be overlooked. Yet, despite these obstacles, India holds the promise of becoming a crucial cog in Tesla's supply chain and export strategy. The country's population size and the potential growth of the middle class offer a tantalizing opportunity. In the face of these challenges, Tesla has taken initial steps to establish a foothold in India. The company has hired an executive and is scouting for retail spaces. However, the journey is fraught with uncertainties. High import taxes, affordability issues, and the still nascent nature of the Indian electric vehicle market might prove to be significant speed bumps on Tesla's road to India. The global electric vehicle industry is watching Tesla's moves closely. The company has attracted a host of competitors, and the loss of tax credits, uncertainties in the Chinese market, and potential missteps in navigating the Indian market could signal a peak for Tesla. Yet Elon Musk is no stranger to challenges. His unicorn strategies have seen Tesla soar to great heights. The question is, can he replicate this success in a market as complex and diverse as India? In conclusion, the question, can India recharge Tesla, remains open-ended. The Indian market offers a world of possibilities, but it also presents a maze of challenges. The road to India might be bumpy, but it could also lead to a new horizon for Tesla. Only time will tell if India can truly recharge Tesla.